Exercise 2.5, question number 5. Find 0.5 divided by 0.25. So here we will divide 0.5 by 0.25. When you will remove the decimal point from denominator, so you will place 100 in the numerator because there are two digits. After two digits, the point is there. In the numerator, that point is after one digit. When you will remove the point, you will place a 10 here. Now you will cancel 0 with 0. So what do we have is 5 tens are 50 and in the denominator it is 25. So we can cancel this 25 ones are 25 twos are 50. So our answer is 2. Now moving on to the next part, that is 7.75 divided by 0.25. Now we see when you remove the point from denominator, you will place 100 because the decimal point is after two digits. And in numerator also the decimal point is after two digits. So when you remove the decimal point from numerator, you will place 100 in the denominator. Now you can cancel the zeros. So it is 775 divided by 25. So you can go on with the division by cancellation. So 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 2 carry over 27, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry over, 5 5s are 25. We have 155 divided by 5. We can cancel it again with 5. So we have 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So our answer is 31. Moving on to the next one, that is 76.5 divided by 0.15. Now when we will remove the point from the numerator, it is only one digit. The decimal point is after one digit. So we are going to place a 10. In denominator, the decimal point is after two digit. When you remove the point, you have to place a 100 here. Now we can cancel 0 with 0. And what do we have is 765 0 divided by 1515. So we can cancel the numerator with denominator. So we can directly cancel either with 15 or we can cancel with 5. So if we go with 15, 15 ones are 15, 15 fives are 75, 1 remainder, so it is 15 again, 15 ones are 15 and 0. So we can directly find out the answer 510. Moving on to the next part. Next part is 37.8 divided by 1.4. So from numerator, if you will remove the decimal point, you will place a 10 here in the denominator. From denominator, when you remove the point, you will place a 10 in the numerator. Now, what you can do is you can cancel 0 with 0. What you will get is 378 divided by 1414. This we can keep cancelling with, we can go with 7, the table of 7. So 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35, 2 carry over, 7 4s are 28. This we can cancel with 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and 1 carry over, 2 sevens are 14. So our answer is 27. Moving on to the next part, that is 2.73 divided by 1.3. So how we are going to do this? We will remove the decimal point from denominator. We will place a 10 here. We will remove a decimal point from numerator. We will place a 100 here. Now we can see that we can cancel 0 with 0. What do we have left over thing is 273 divided by 130. Now we can see that we can cancel this with 13 as easy as that. So 13 ones are 13 and a 0. 13 2s are 26. 1 carry over, so 13. 13 ones are 13. So we have 21 by 10. We can change up in the decimal point, so it will be 2.1.